This morning I'm making breakfast ham and egg cups in a muffin tin. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees and now I'm taking a little bit of cooking spray to grease the muffin tins. I'm only doing 4 this morning, but this is perfect if you're doing a brunch or you're having a lot of people and you want to make a lot of eggs at the same time. So with your clean hands, you're going to take a little piece of ham and place it in your muffin tin cups. So you have 1 piece of ham that lines 1 muffin tin. Now take a little bit of cheese, if you want cheese, you don't have to add cheese, and place it in the bottom of your ham cup. You can use any kind of cheese you want. You can use mozzarella, pepper jack. I'm just using cheddar today. Now take an egg and crack it, but be very careful not to break the yolk. And you're going to place 1 egg in each ham cup. And now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt on each egg. You don't have to do this. And a little bit of pepper. You can leave these plain just as is, but I'm going to put a bit of diced tomato on top of each one just because I can. And I'm also going to put a little bit of cilantro on each egg cup. You can put whatever toppings you want on this, or like I said, you can leave them plain. You can put some onion on, you can put other kinds of seasoning on, whatever floats your boat. So here are our egg and ham muffin cups, and I'm going to place this in the oven for 18 minutes. And I remove the eggs from the oven, and now we're going to let these sit in the muffin tins for about 2 to 3 minutes just to cool off before we remove them. I burnt my toast. We can't be perfect all the time. It's been 3 minutes and we've let this cool off. Oh, these are perfect. If you like eggs that are really well done, you can keep these in the oven for about, 22 minutes. And that's it. These are beautiful. Look at that. And these are our breakfast ham and egg cups. I hope you liked this. I hope you try it. And I'll see you later because I'm making my magic pizza crust. Have a great morning.